name is Raj Mandal and I am here to tell about the liquor is good or bad for our health. In my opinion, everything has the advantage also and disadvantage also. Like the liquor has so many advantages also and so many disadvantages also. The advantages are like by the liquor so many diseases are cured, and by the liquor, if we take the liquor in the use amount, we are surrounded by that so many diseases. And like if we take the liquor in the minimum amount, in the balance amount, so we are healthy, and by the liquor we can change our health.
Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. So my topic is liquor should be banned or not. I think liquor should be banned because many of the places, many of the people, they take liquor and they drive the car, and that's why they lost their life and they meet with an accident. And as we all know, all of the things have a disadvantage and advantage. We can talk about the liquor. Legal also have the advantage and the disadvantage. A coin don't have a one side, a coin have two sides. So as we can talk about disadvantage and advantage. By the liquor, many of the families has been destroyed, and there are the many of the violence is being going on just because of liquor.
Good evening everyone. Today's my topic is liquor should be banned or not. According to me, liquor should be banned. The advantage and the disadvantage of the liquor is most of the disease repaired by our liquor. And the liquor government take so many tax. This is good for the public, and the government people get money by this. And the disadvantage of the liquor is most of the people, they drink lot of amount of liquor and they drive a car. This is a case of drink and drive, so this is bad.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. Today my topic is liquor should be banned or not. So according to me, the liquor should be banned because after taking liquor, those person they are taking liquor, after taking they forgot lots of things, and lots of time they beats our mom and our mother, our mom and our daughter, and so on. So it is a very bad effect of our family. And if we talk about the good things, so drinking is a very good thing. And if we are taking some, so it is very helpful for our health. And after taking little bit drink, we feel active. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir, and all my dear friend. My topic is liquor should be banned or not. According to me, liquor should be banned because of why liquor, more and more cases come in our society. So we should not drink more and more liquor. We can take little bit liquor. And our soldiers are lives in a chilled area like glacier, so they want to drink liquor, and our government is also give the liquor because by liquor we can feel our body hot, sir. That's it, sir.
Hello guys, good evening. My name is Dev. My topic is liquor should be banned and not. According to me, liquor should be banned because liquor ban domestic violence and financial drain is well.
Good evening everyone. Today my topic is liquor should be banned or not. According to me, liquor should be banned because nowadays more people are taking liquor, and by that people face many problems like some disease, and in many highways people drive a car while taking liquor, so and event can be, and many people they lived in chilled area, and so they take liquor because liquor is a water, and in for government liquor is a good because liquor company man they give a more tax to government. That's it.
Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. Today my topic is liquor should be banned or not. According to me, liquor should not be banned because there are many reasons like liquor add into the medicines, and soldiers they take the liquors for living on the mountains in chilled area, also also take liquor companies they give more tax to government, and so government is running with the liquor, and by the liquor many cases come in police station, and also liquor spoil our kidneys and lungs and many things. That's
Good evening, sir, and my dear friend. My topic is liquor should be banned or not. And in my opinion, liquor is the banned because because taking liquor directly affecting body part and kidney, and a family problem the faces and waste of money and liquor in waste of money, family problem is the not take liquor person will not fulfill need of family.
Good evening everyone. My name is Atul Shivare and my topic is liquor should be banned or not. In my opinion, liquor should be banned. Taking more and more liquor it affect our body, head, kidney, lungs and etc. And while driving our car, so we can't take liquor because and taking liquor affect our family because we can't fulfill their needs because we waste our money in drinking only. We can't fulfill education for our children. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Alpna Pushpat. So today's my topic is liquor should be banned or not. According to me, liquor should be banned because of it's very harmful for human body, and it's a main reason of domestic violence. So, and more accidents happen by the liquor, and mostly molestation cases happen by the liquor. So liquor should be banned.
Taking liquor is a very bad, and it affects very bad one family. If we talk about our family, so those person they are taking so much liquor. So after taking the liquor, they forgot that like she is my mother and daughter. So after taking these kind of things, so they abuse a they abuse a lot, and after abusing, like they don't feel they don't feel like they don't feel that is my fault. Like I have taken lots of drink, and because of taking liquor, the lots of cases I have seen that like because of taking the family can divide it into two pieces. Like those person, they are taking so much amount of liquor. So in future it can be very harmful for our body and our family also. If we talk about the family, so in future the husband and wife can be divorced because of taking liquor.
As you talked about the family, if the family allowed him to take the liquor, if the family could not allow him, so he cannot taking liquor, and if by chance he take the liquor, don't allow with the family, then still they has to stop it.
Like as you said that the family will not allow we take drink because of we have a power, power and freedom and money also, and our father and our mother they don't support their kind of things you should take a drink and smoking. The mother and father they always think that my son in future he can be a good post.
They just take liquor. They just drinking because they want to forget his stress. And most of the persons are taking liquor. As I talk about the liver, if we talk about the liver, so they just doing the so many hard work in the daytime, but at the night time, at the evening time, they go to the drink shop and they just take their liquor. By that they forgot everything, and by that their stress become loose.
As you said that stress. So those people they don't want to do work. So and they are doing work continuously, and if we want to take a that time we want to take liquor, so in the place of liquor we should sing a song, so our stress will be increased.
But nowadays many of the people, when they feel stressed, so they wanna take liquor, and they don't have the knowledge about those things like listening the songs. They only want liquor at that time, and by that they can lose their tiredness, and they can sleep well, and as he said that we should take the liquor some of the times, but if we will start taking liquor some of the times, so it can be increased day by day, and if we are taking little, so it can be more, and by it our body can get many of the disease. And he said that it helps us, but when we started taking it and it increased, then it also make the diseases.
If we take the liquor in the minimum amount, so the liquor will advantage for us, because by the liquor we can cure so many diseases, and the liquor is the only thing by which is liked by 98% people in all over the world, and in the foreign countries also. So many people drink the liquor as a water also. They are the chain drinker.
And if liquor is banned in India, there is some state the liquor is banned, like Gujarat, Bihar, and the condition of the state is very bad, because the liquor is indirectly they give money to police and buying illegal liquor. And there is some cases of drugs. If the liquor should be banned, the case of drugs is more, and the drugs is most harmful according to liquor.
And the government cannot stop the liquor because by the liquor they also get the money, and they earn money by these industries. And many of the liquor stores, their pupils the pupils take many of the liquors, and by that they get many of the bad things. And by taking liquor they start doing very bad things like abusing to others and beating the wife and daughters. And it's not bad, it's very bad, because we are doing a very bad work with the with the daughters. And as we can talk about the government can make some of the rules, like the government can the government can stop the liquor in the industries more. And it can say that you should make a limited liquor, and by that we can only take 1 and 2 liquors. But nowadays many of the people they are taking more.
And as we all know, that after taking liquor, lots of person they speak truth. So those person, they are want to do those person they are wanted to search ourselves, what person they think about me. So we have such a great chance to know about ourselves, that what another person they think, and after asking these kind of things, we know that a person they think about us as a bad and as a good thing.
As you said about the truth, speaking truth by the liquor, it is not a liquor, it is a drug by which we can speak the truth. By the liquor we cannot control our mind. That's why we speak truth. But in the liquor there are so many drugs are present, so that's why we can speak truth. And by the liquor we can, and by the liquor we the liquor is so harmful for us. By the liquor our cells increasing without any control. So we are surrounded by the cancers or cancer disease also.
In corona time there is a lockdown, and people control ourselves to take liquor. The people is a routine to take liquor, but they control ourselves. But the government ban the liquor. There is a taker of drugs and that thing too, so they can't control our body to take that thing, and they get suicide. So government, that's why government not ban the liquor.
Government want to ban the liquor, but there are so many ministers and policemen are there who are corrupted, and they just earn the money by the industries, liquor industry and drug industry. That's why they could not want to ban the liquor industry. But the government in the high post, in the Lok Sabha, the Prime Minister, President want to ban the liquor. But they don't want to ban the liquor because they are earning because of their. But the government stop the liquor. That as we all know that in the liquor, in the banner of the liquor, as we see a poster where the cancer or disease is there. That's why they want to ban the liquor.
Many of the people they are taking liquor, and any of the one cannot stop the liquor. And as we can talk about the COVID-19 time, when the liquor banned, and anybody could not be able to sleep well, and they starting they starting they started shouting, why did you ban it, and at the nick of time the government have to start the liquor and
In foreign countries, sir, their government made card for taking legal. By card, we can get legal. Otherwise, they don't give, sir.
And if we talk about the poor person, like those person they are belong to poor family, and although he is taking a liquor, so that person and his family, there was a very huge amount of effect, like her family will be destroyed because they have no money to spend, like vegetables and so on. And if we talk about the his family, so those persons they are taking a liquor. So after taking liquor, it can be hunt of any diseases like liver problem and kidney also. So the family, they don't think that the person who are taking who are suffering from that kind of disease, so they have a money to spend the father and mother.
In America, there is a retired army man. They get up in morning, and the routine of this man is they take liquor, get up and they take liquor, 2 glass liquor and they take. But the health of this man is so good. If you do a hard work, you should take liquor, so you can't get any disease.
As you talking about the army men in our India also, the army men who are working in the Kashmir side, in the cold side, also they want to take the liquor from their body.
As you said, a person who takes 2 glass of liquor, and he takes liquor because he takes 2 glass liquor because he has the capability to handle 2 glass liquor. But if we don't have the capability to handle the 2 glass liquor, so we will not take. As we all know, we always want the advantage of our body.
No people get capability to take a liquor, but they do hard work. Nowadays, people take like fast food and they get suffering from fever.